Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is the intraday for Bitcoin. Let's see what happened today. And basically on the 2 hours chart here, where we are looking at a potential A, B, and a C in higher possibility here, and that because of course of the difficulty here to define a clear impulse toward the upside. You have a wave 1 potentially, a wave 2 can be given, but a wave 3 is of course here can be finished in a wave 5, which is very, very weird as well. But even in case this is a wave 3, your wave 4 interfered with the zone 1. We mentioned this today, and that because of that, of course, that means you have finished here much more likely in a correction, hitting the blue box as expected, of course, before my trip 10 days ago. And of course, this blue zone is the 0.618, 0.786 taken from the wave 1 here as a potential ABC wave 2 or a wave B. So basically we are looking here at a potential impulse afterward as of course 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. The wave 4 is still of course unfolding unless of course we take the invalidation of bearish, which is 115k 231. Meaning, if the wave 4, this expanding flat, interfere with the zone 1, that means, of course, there is no bearish scenario, there is no impulse, and we might, of course, start to think to reverse toward the upside, and might be, of course, something else unfolding. However, if the price is still under this level, 115k 231, meaning, of course, we are still under bearish pressure. This wave 4 here might still be unfolding as an A, B, and a C expanding flat. If we dive inside it, you can see you have 3 waves down, 3 waves up, or I would say 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then you are looking here for an impulse potentially to move a little bit higher, but don't forget, of course, the invalidation. Now, another possibility can be a W, X, and a Y. You might see 3 waves here and 3 waves up again and 3 waves here to finish up a wave Y. And so a W, X, and a Y in a wave 4 and then continuation toward the downside. If we are impulsive here, I would like to move even much more in the micro today in the 15-minute chart. Now we have kind of like an impulsive wave here. Now how? Of course, this is a 1, 2 over there. You are looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 as a wave 1, wave 2. Very, very short, guys. So we gotta be careful if we take the fib levels here. As a wave 2, you will realize that the wave 2 as an impulse 0.38 not hit, and basically even the 0.23 not hit, which is very, very weird, guys. Yeah, and of course that might turn into an ABC zigzag here. We gotta be careful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finishing wave C, meaning continuation simply for lower. In conclusion, I would say for this intraday for Bitcoin, we didn't see yet, of course, a signal of strength despite the highs. We need to see a clear impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 ways down, moving 4 up, breaking the high, and continuation toward the upside. Now we see prices moving really higher, but we did not see 5 waves up. We did not see a good wave 2, and of course the fib level are not taken. Therefore, the possibility is still here corrective, and that we might move towards lower prices. The target for a Bitcoin as a major target that I'm looking for is this testing area. Of course, first scenario is an A, B, and a C here. I would like to see at least the 0.38 hit 102k, or even the 1-to-1 fib level taken from the A here to the B as a potential zigzag. This zigzag might be the 102k in confluence as well in our scenario here. So let's watch and see if this target will be taken soon. Of course, don't forget the invalidation of bearish might be a signal as well for, of course, reversal. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.